5 Mike Victor, checking in with you. We'll need a minute.
Fire.
Software is all whacked.
Pure brick, huh?
Yep. So it's weird, you just went from 2 ears to 1 ear for me.
I don't know why I haven't been able to get that to work.
Number 5 Mike Victor, I don't have seats in your flight plan.
What I sent up to my panel, it didn't populate. I can go direct to Okie from here.
No, don't turn around. Okie's behind you.
Say it's Grand Canyon, Lint.
TCC.
Yeah.
And then...
Destination.
Hey man, we did it!
225 Mike Victor.
Oh yeah.
Good morning.
Are you kidding me?
Amazing, right?
I love to fly.
You know when you think you look amazing, but really, your shoe's untied, your shirt's tucked into your underwear, and you got a price tag hanging off your shirt? Well, this is that flight. Today's flight, Concord, California. I'm putting this video out on the internet, and it's kind of embarrassing. We all have moments when we're not perfect. When I pop out of the clouds on this flight, what you're about to see, top moment I've had in aviation coming out of the clouds. It's unbelievable. But there is some embarrassment to this, and I want to put it out there for you to learn from. I have a saying called TLAR, that looks about right. That's a way to put in data, look on your screen, make sure it looks about right. I looked at it wrong. When you put in information, you got to look on a macro and a micro scale. Big to small picture. I just looked at the big picture. I'm going to let the video take you through my mistake of using ForeFlight, sending the data off my iPad up to the cockpit, and how I worked through it. I hope you learn from it. All right, let's go watch the departure. It's epic. Let's go.
Fire.
You got me?
Gotcha.
Okay. Pure brick, huh?
Yep.
Call it 30 pounds.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor, your clearance is available. There is a slight amendment to the beginning of the routing.
Ready to copy, 5 Mike Victor.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor cleared to the Tango Delta Whiskey Airport via the Buchanan 2 departure. Pitts transition, Okie intersection, Oscar Alpha Kilo Echo Yankee, Sonora intersection, Sierra November Oscar Romeo Alpha, then as filed. On departure, maintain 4,000. Expect flight level 310, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 119.9er, squawk 3320.
225 Mike Victor is cleared to Tango Delta Whiskey. The Buchanan 2 Pitts transition, Okie, Sonora, TT, MSN, and then it's filed. And we'll be 4,000, 310, 10 minutes, 19.9 and 3320.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor, readback is correct.
Thank you, and we're ready to taxi from Pacific States with Bravo.
Approach in. There it is.
Yeah, so it's like way out.
Yeah. Interesting.
Right out there.
I guess it would be funny if a Gulfstream all of a sudden came.
So it's weird, you just went from 2 ears to 1 ear for me. You're only in this ear now.
Just like on a dime?
It started to get a little crackly and then moved to just 1 ear.
That is weird.
Which is, I'm gonna unplug and plug back in.
Okay. Finals foggy.
Final foggy.
That would be a surprise to have a plane pop out there.
Laps 50.
Since we're heavy, I'm going to take all I can.
Yeah, why not? Love it.
Okay. Good?
Ready.
Let's go. Airspeed alive. No cast messages, engine looks good. 60, no cast messages, looking for 85, 75, 80, 85. There we go. Runway, quick. Get that up. Put you up to command bars. Looking for 600 and 115 for the flaps and autopilot caps. 300, 400.
There's a 5 Mike Victor in that left turn. Contact Travis Approach. Have a good flight.
5 Mike Victor, overcoat.
Okay, autopilot is on nav mode. Flaps are coming up. Caps. And TLAR, that looks about right.
What's TLAR?
That looks about right. Like, are we really doing what we should be doing right now?
Okay.
It's like my way to check against technology.
Yep.
Auto throttle, power is good. Engine parameters. Alright.
Good morning, Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor. In the left turn to Concord. 1,800 for 4,000.
225 Mike Victor.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Travis Altimeter 3008.
3008.
Are you kidding me?
Amazing, right? Beautiful. Dang.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was so mesmerized.
Yeah.
Mike Victor, radar contact 2 miles southeast of the Concord Airport, leaving 2,500. Climb and maintain at 10,000, 10,000.
10,000, 225 Mike Victor.
I literally, my brain just went,
It's so cool when you pop out like this. It's like my favorite.
that was so special.
Yeah.
It was
I
like,
also love just the sky surf right above all the clouds too.
Yeah.
Just right on top of them.
perfect. Wow. So good.
So good.
I love to fly. Every time I go through the clouds like that, it just wakes my ass up.
Yeah. I find that there's like a fun moment when you're, I mean, sometimes when you're up at 31,000 feet, but not too often. But if you're kind of coming down, you find these clouds that you just sort of surf along for a long period of time, and you're sort of in and out, but really just skim at the very top of them. That's just like
That's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, when there's a big day with like poofy cumuluses, not like towering,
Yeah.
love to go up VFR and just cut through them.
Surf around. The only thing with this I find annoying is like you gotta come all the way around here just to evade the Bravo to get to where you want to go. Like when you go down to Southern California or whatever, it's like I gotta go all the way north here and come back around.
United 1149, heavy contact Oakland. November 225 Mike Victor. I might have missed your check-in. Climb and maintain flight level 190. Are you direct, Senora?
Right now I am direct seats and 19,005 Mike Victor.
November 5 Mike Victor, roger. Climb and maintain flight level 190, and when you get a second, let's go over your route of flight.
Okay. One sec.
Go over our route of flight. Okay.
I wonder if you didn't move it from your phone. Look on your phone real quick.
Okie.
5 Mike Victor, okay, ready.
Number 5 Mike Victor, I don't have seats in your flight plan, so I'm showing Okie, direct Sonora, and then Tango Tango Mike Sierra November, then India Foxtrot Echo Yankee Echo, Grand Canyon, Lint, Lima Yankee November November Tango, Sandia, Tango Train Charlie Charlie, and then direct. So you have.
That is what I have. What I sent up to my panel, it didn't populate, so I can go direct to Okie from here. I apologize for that, Mike Victor.
No, don't turn around. Okie's behind you. Number 5 Mike Victor, just keep direct Sonora.
Sonora, okay, Mike Victor.
My bad.
It's okay.
What's Sonora? How you spell it?
Snora.
Okay, gotcha.
Well, that was a good lesson. SNORA.
All right, 5 Mike Victor's direct scenario, and I'll update the rest. Apologies.
No worries.
That's cool.
You want me to get it?
Sure.
Or can you push it here?
Yeah, we can. Actually, not from there. I don't know why I haven't been able to get that to work. Let's see. We're gonna send it to right here.
No, let's see. Sonora. No, don't do that. Sonora, it's got seeds. It's.
You're right.
I'll punch it in. We can do this.
Between the two of us.
TTMSN.
Oh, here it is. I'll send it.
Radar contact.
Oki, Sonora, TTMSN, IFE.
Drink it.
Mike Victor, contact Oakland Center, 119.75. Have a good morning.
1975, 5 Mike Victor.
Okay, you're up.
Route nav.
225 Mike Victor is 14,500 for 19,000 direct to Sonora. Turning.
Number 225 Victor, push number 225 Victor, Oakland Center, hello. Climb maintain flight level 310, flight heading 160.
That's pretty funny.
160 heading, and was it 310 Mike Victor? Yeah.
And Mike Victor, climb maintain flight level 310 and heading 160.
310 and 160, 5 Mike Victor.
What a classic moment.
That was 18.
Oki, Sonora, TTMSN, IFE, GCN, Lint, Cindia, TCC, KTW.
Yeah.
Does that look right?
Yeah.
But this
Okay.
still has seeds in it. You gotta
I
push.
didn't populate the connect. Okay. Well, you know what you do? Old school.
Yeah, I can punch those in.
Sonora seeds is on there, but that has
This one didn't have it.
Sonora TTMSN.
Southwest 1864, climb maintain flight level 350. 350, South 1864.
No, you don't.
I thought it's
Number
multiple.
225 Mike Victor, contact Oakland Center 127.45.
2745, 5 Mike Victor.
Multiple should give me multiple, right?
I think if you do that, it's basically saying take out through. Well, we want that. I know.
That's part of it, though.
Hold on, let's go back.
Okay.
Can you switch from continuous flight top
We want
through
to see
310? Everything above is just maybe occasional light stop. Copy.
Is it in there twice? I think it is. Look at the map. That's so crazy.
You know what it is? Oh, go ahead. Let me
225 Mike Victor, passing through 18,000 for 310. Assign heading 160.
This is 225 Mike Victor, Oakland Center left.
Hello.
Southwest 117, descend via the MZO 4 arrival.
Sonora, TTMSN, IFI, GCN, Lint,
Southwest 117,
Cindia.
descend via the
That
MZO
could be
4
good.
arrival. Descend via the
Yeah,
MZO 4
that's-
arrival for Southwest 117.
TCC, maybe.
TCC.
Scroll this out a little bit.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, now it's okay. So
IP.
this has got to come out. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
got to come out.
There's one more drink.
IFI is going to come out.
Probably Grand Canyon, too.
2113, 15,000, climbing flight level 190. 2113 Oakland Center, good.
Yeah, Grand Canyon's gotta come out.
290. Roger, climb maintain flight level
No,
290.
Oh, it's in it again.
2113.
Which one is it?
No, it's okay. GCN. I think it's okay now.
Still shows.
2975, clear,
Was it
expect
twice?
There's twice. TCC, that's closer.
Red left Delta 2975, thanks. And we're right in the tops. Can we get 360?
It still shows.
2975, stand by.
Oh, I think that we had it all in, but there was like the old flight plan on top of it.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah.
I have no idea what happened because I sent up. Who knows? It's figured out.
Sonora, TTMSN, IFI,
Horizon Air 2178, contact 1 center 132.9.
GCN,
Yep.
Lint, Cindia, TCC, KTW.
Lint, Cindia, then what?
Oh, there's two Cindias in there. It goes Lint, Cindia, TCC. So that's
So it had to have been in there.
Wait, not that one. Oh yeah, you're right.
say it's Grand Canyon, Lint.
Sandia,
Yeah,
TCC,
yeah.
and then
Destination.
Hey man, we did it.
What happened?
It's too good.
He's like, well, I'd like to talk about your route. I'm like, well, that's never good. Not an amendment to your route.
Yeah. That's funny.